Are you struggling to lift heavy objects into the back of your vehicle, on the back of your truck? Check out this real cool solution Auto Transform have come up with. It's a slide out mechanism, maximizes the storage capacity in the vehicle, wastes no floor space. It's mounted off the roof and off the shelving, and it's on a slide out strut system. It's 150 kg capacity, and we have an excellent little electronic crane system here. So obviously lower it to the point where you need to hook it onto the object you're wanting to lift. In this case it's a 75 kg object. Obviously under health and safety laws and regulations it's unsafe for even two people to lift that, especially into an awkward position in the back of a van. This solution very easily lifts it up. Once it's hooked up, slide it into the back of the vehicle, and we have a nice catch pin system here, and you are good to go.